Essential question. How do habitats help animals meet their needs? Day and Night in the Desert, by the editors of Click magazine. Illustrated by Jamie Kim. In late spring, the desert is very hot and dry, but it is full of life. During the cool night, a beautiful saguaro cactus flower blossoms. Wildflowers grow in the desert sun. In the morning, painted lady butterflies sip nectar from wildflowers growing in the sun. Saguaro cactus blossoms last only one day in the hot desert sun. Nearby, a hungry lizard watches. It soon snaps up a butterfly and scurries away. Then it rests on a rock warmed by the sun. Lizards have to eat, too. Horned lizards hide by lying on wood or rocks that look like their skin. This western whiptail lizard has long claws to dig for food and catch insects. Collared lizards run on their two back legs to escape danger. A young snake slithers by, very quietly. It strikes quickly and gobbles up the lizard. The snake won't be hungry for the rest of the day. King snakes like to eat lizards. Regal ring-necked snakes show their bright undersides to keep enemies away. Rattlesnakes have sharp teeth. Most desert animals stay hidden in the shade during the hot afternoon, but at sunset, the desert begins to cool. Roadrunners cannot fly very well, so they run fast instead. Roadrunners stay cool during hot afternoons by standing in the shade. A barrel cactus is named for its barrel shape. A roadrunner darts out from behind a barrel cactus. Roadrunners are very quick. The snake is a nice treat. In the evening, a coyote waits in the darkness. It has begun its night of hunting to bring food to its family. Coyotes are clever hunters and can pounce quickly on their prey. A coyote feeds her pup from her mouth. It doesn't bother to chase the roadrunner. A roadrunner is very hard to catch. The coyote looks for a kangaroo rat instead. Under the desert moon, another saguaro flower blossoms. In the morning, a butterfly will sip nectar from wildflowers, and the search for food in the desert will begin again. Kangaroo rats move like kangaroos. They jump using their strong back legs. Saguaro cacti can take more than 100 years to grow to their full size.